going to mount a TV on drywall. So this is the wall mount of your TV mount position where you want to put that on the wall. What you're going to use today to mount the TV is this toggle bolt, right? You're going to hold this on the wall like this, right? Hold this on the wall. Make sure this is level. Take a level. Put it on top like that. Okay, and then hold it with your hand like this, and make sure it's level up here. Right? Okay, then you mount the holes. Once you trace the holes, you're going to start drilling. So I'm just going to show you one drill. How you're just going to drill. See, this is drywall. See, as soon as you drill. Okay, here you go. Okay, I found the anchor. How we're going to put it in? So just bend it into its base. Put it through, right? Put it through, and then it goes back. Okay, just this so that it goes flat. And you're going to put this. Then you break this off, right? So you're going to put the TV here and right this through here. One on the side. Okay, just hand screw for the beginning. Okay, you got that going, right? You can using the toggle bolts on the TV, you can put up to a 200-pound TV on this mount, right? The vertical brackets are going on the TV. This is the video. You can see that video there, how those two vertical brackets are put on the TV. Once you put that, all you got to do is bring the TV and mount it on this wall.